a little old wine drinker me.
Good call, Sal. I think we would have made it, but safe than sorry. June 14th, 2019, heading under the Bridge of Destruction with Captain Lloyd at the helm and Sal checking on the sticks and me taking the crazy video. The lunatics are heading out. Got a beautiful day today. Let's see what we catch. Ha ha ha, yeah, right. I had my toasted everything bagel with butter and bacon, soft bacon. Didn't get it at Knapp Street Deli, but I got it at another bagel joint and it looks pretty good. Because I love value. I got my first fish of the day. And what do I usually catch on the first shot? Well, guess what? It's not. It's a baby fluke. We're on a nursery. And the release. Fish on for Sal. He's got a short fluke. And the release. Oh, Lloyd got one. Oh, Lloyd's got the first one.
Rockin' Robin,
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Rockin' Robin.
And the release. Yeah, not yet. Come on. Nice.
Oh, let me go, let me go. Oh, let me go, let me
He's
go.
got no teeth. Hold him like that, you can take the hook out. Whoa. Comes Sal Sand Shark. I haven't seen one of those in a while. And I got number 2 rocker already.
Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin.
Here comes number 3, rocker. There's number 5. Fish on, fish on. What's he got?
I don't know.
Oh, 747. Welcome to the club.
Yeah, but this is one to be proud of.
It's not even a fillet. Hey, it's almost the same size as the guppy that you bought. Yeah, but that's smaller.
What I bought, that is a tiny fish. That would be small for a flounder.
Couldn't even make a sandwich out of that guy. There we go. And the release. Al says he has something. Yep, another baby fluke.
But it's bigger than yours.
Bigger than mine.
Which isn't saying much. It doesn't take much to beat that. The bar was set very low. Will you stop?
The bar was set low. And the release, because I got to pull up my rocker. Well, got my second short for the day.
What is it?
Fluke. The release for number 2.
Of course.
Now, what do you think about the 9/11?
Thanks, Sal.
Talk about babies.
As the man.
fish.
No, it's something.
Sal's got a whoa going, he said. It's a fluke. Hey, it is a fluke. It's a fluke. It's a shorty, but it's a fluke. It's not worth the whoa.
Yes, it was. That's what you caught.
Sal got another fish. Another sand shark. I gotta pull up my rocker.
Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin.
Got my first pork chop. Joe, here he is. Nice fish coming up for Lloyd. It's a fluke, short, but it's a nice fatty. He's heavy. Look, he's down. For the count. Everybody on the boat's got two short flukes. You don't want to be released. Oh, Lloyd's got number 2. You only need 5 more. Thanks. Number 8. That's number 8 or 9. Not sure. Check it out later. But I'm queen for the day. Know that. Here comes number 3. If you want to call this a fish. The release of this big 10-inch fish.
Let me go.
End of day, heading under the Bridge of Destruction. Plenty of room, low tide. Not a great day on the water today. Weather was nice. No fluke to take home. There was 7 shorts. Biggest one about 14 inches. Everything else was wearing diapers. 2 pork chops caught, about 12 inches each. 10, 13 rockers caught, and I'm the queen with 10. I think 10 or 9. Lloyd's got 2 and Sal's got 1. And Sal keeps telling me here, sticking 2 fingers in my face, telling me he caught 2 sand sharks. That's it. That was an end of day. Great day on the water with the lunatics.
Is our queen of the trip, the rocker queen, Mr. George.
With 10, probably 10. I'm not sure. I thought double digits.
That's a season record.
So far.
Nobody's come close.
Not yet.